Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how can we create a chair and copy photo of the chair and place around the table. Okay, first you need to open your the previous project that was table design. Open and find your table project. Mine is inside my PLTW folder. I'm gonna grab that one. Okay. Alright. First of all, I'm gonna create a rectangle. The size needs to be 14 inch by 14 inch. Okay. So I'm gonna push it up 1 inch. Okay, I'm gonna push it out 1 inch. In this time, I'm gonna make smooth edge to my chair. That's why I'm gonna grab 2-point arch and I'm gonna create an arch here. Okay, half circle. Let's rotate the half circle 45 degree. Click your circle, half circle, select half circle, grab rotate tool. On the rotate tool, guys, you need to see the blue rotation tool and click on it and click outside of the click on the square and press 25 degree. Okay, I'm sorry, 45 degree again. Alright, so after this select all lines, around the square, and then find a follow me tool inside push pull tool. Okay, the second one is follow me tool, and click on your half circle. Okay, again, if it didn't work, you need to select your squares line again. Okay, let's select those lines again. Follow me tool and click on follow me tool. Okay, after this grab your rotation tool. Okay, create a square that needs to be half. Okay, from that edge, okay, you need to start from that edge. It needs to be 2 inches by 2 inches. Okay, and then select, make it a group, make it a component, I'm sorry, and copy to that edge. Okay, so grab move tool, grab from there, press Ctrl and move to that endpoint. Alright, perfect. So grab a push-pull tool and push it down. Push it down 20 inch. Okay. After this, guys, okay, select the bottom of the back leg and grab the scale tool. Scale tool backward a little bit. Okay, that's good enough. We're gonna do the same thing for the front leg, but at this point we're gonna scale to the center. Okay, so deselect and create and a rectangle and a square 2 by 2, 2 inches by 2 inches. Okay, and make a component and copy that component to the endpoint and double click on your component, guys, and push it up 20 inch. Okay, scale to the bottom part. Scale to the bottom part to the middle a little bit. That's good enough too. Okay, so we are done the bottom part. Okay, let's go up to okay, I think that's the shadow. Let's go up and create another rectangle. Create another rectangle. One inches, 1 inch by 1 inch. Okay. So make a component. So I'm gonna make 4 copies, but I need to make them equal. That's why I'm gonna copy that thing. To the end of the corner. Grab your move tool first. Okay, press Ctrl. That needs to be endpoint. After I copy it, I'm gonna press, not times, I'm gonna press division and 3. I'm gonna make 3 more copies of the thing, and then it's gonna be equal. Separate will be equally. Okay. Here we go, guys. And push those things. Double click on your component first and push those things. 10 inch. Okay, 10 inch is good. And then grab your scale tool again. First you need to select the top part. Okay, grab your scale tool. Let's scale to the middle. That's good enough. I made 15-inch, but I think it will be, I made 10-inch, but I'm gonna make 15-inch. Okay, let's make 15-inch and do the same thing. Grab the select the top part and grab the scale tool and press Ctrl and scale to the middle. Okay, that's good. Alright, let's create a header for our chair. Okay, grab a rectangle and create 1,14. Or you can create okay, 1,14 is good. And 2-inch, that's good. Let's create the same arch again. Grab 2-point arch and create a half circle. And let's rotate that thing again on blue X. Click on the corner and you need to see the blue X and click on the square on prism. Okay, and rotate 45 degrees. Okay, 45 degrees. Alright, and then select all lines. Select all lines. Select all lines. Select all lines and grab Follow Me tool. And double click. If it didn't work, again select the line again, guys. Follow Me tool. Okay, and select, click on follow the half circle and make component that one. Okay, let's move that thing on our top of the chair. Alright, grab move tool. Okay, grab move tool and I'm gonna show you guys how can we move the header and how can we create 4 copies around the table in the second video. Thank you.